how to fix Google Pixel 7 Pro black screen not turning on or not working. So if this happened to you, what you can do is you can try to perform a force restart or a 30-second power button trick, or we can try to rule out a dead battery. So the first thing that you want to do is press and hold on the power button and the volume up key. So power button and volume up key, press and hold for around 15 seconds. So let's do it now. Press on both buttons and hold like this. Press and hold until you see the screen shows the Google logo button or the phone kind of vibrate gently and boot up. So here, just press and hold for around 15 seconds. Okay, so sometimes it might take a bit longer than that, maybe 30 seconds. Just continue to press. If the first time it doesn't work, you can try again. You can let go of the buttons and then press and hold until again for another 15 seconds and see if that works. So during this process, you need to be patient. If it still does not work, then the next thing that you can do is try to press and hold on the power button for 30 seconds or more. So let's do it now. Press and hold onto the power button. Again, we wait for around 30 seconds. And release it only when you see the Google logo pop up. Here, once you see the phone boot up with the Google logo, you can let go of the buttons. It takes around 30 seconds to do so. Now, another thing is you might have a very dead battery, so sometimes the phone is completely drained or the software glitch and has stopped it from showing the low battery charging icon. So what you want to do is you want to plug in the cables to the phone, the charging cable to the phone. So make sure it is a working cable. When you plug it in, you should hear a sound. Then leave it alone for around 20 minutes. After that, while it is still plugged in, you can try to press on the power button and the volume up button like this. Again, try that combo and hold it for around, say, 15 to 30 seconds and see if the phone's reboot. Again, if it doesn't reboot, just continue to plug it in, press and hold on the power buttons for 30 seconds or so, and shortly you should see the screen will turn on. And that's it. Please give it a try. Another thing that you can do, last thing is if you plug it in and you hear a sound on your phone, like a charging sound like this, then if you hear that sound but the screen stays black, you can try to use another mobile device or ask your friend or family to give your phone a call and see if it rings. Yeah, if it rings and the screen stays black, maybe there is an issue with the screen. Thank you for watching.